So the support provided by the instructors and faculties from IIT Roorkee was a wonderful. It was a wonderful journey for me. Like whenever there is a doubt, they are always ready to help and solve my all doubts. Hi, my name is Umar. I am from Dehradun. I have little experience in recruitment field. I have worked at Global Logic Hitachi before enrolling into this course. Actually, I only have experience in the recruitment domain. Then I researched about a few more domains in HR. Then I came across this analytics domain in HR. Then I researched a little bit about it on Google. So I came across this IIT Roorkee HRM and Analytics course in collaboration with Imarticus Learning. After going through the brochure which was prepared by IIT Roorkee and Imarticus Learning, so I decided to enroll myself into this course. Right now we are completing our course. This is our last day, so we have learned a lot of things like many big softwares like Python and machine learning, and we also know how to analyze data by using these softwares. Not only this, we have also learned how to analyze the HR data through Excel. We have used many resources like we have used Microsoft Excels, we have used programming language like Python, and we have also used machine learning concepts to analyze the HR data. So the best part of my learning journey is, first of all the lectures are recorded. You can go through the lectures again and again in case you face any doubt, or if you forget something, or even if you miss a lecture, then you can just log into your Pegasus platform which is provided by the Imarticus Learning, and you can go and watch the videos. And there is a lot of knowledge which I gained in the HR domain. I would like to advise them go through the brochure which is provided by Imarticus Learning, and if they are more interested in data field, like the future is analytics, so I think for those people this course would be really very helpful.